Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya, and in this video we'll be learning about the differences between statically typed programming languages and dynamically typed programming language. First, we'll begin with the dynamic type because what we are learning around that is JavaScript is a dynamic type programming language. So now let's go ahead and have an example. So I have declared a variable called let a and given it an integer value. Now inside that variable it contains an integer number. Now we'll use a function called typeof, and inside that we'll give the name of the variable. So I think you're not yet understood functions right now, Joe. Just keep up with me. We'll talk about functions in the future videos. So what this function typeof is gonna do is that it's gonna tell us the data type of the variable. So now if we have given the variable inside that, now if we run the program, it's going to tell that it is of number type. So one thing to remember is that in the previous video I have explained about integers and floats separately. In JavaScript, these two come under the data type number. I have explained that because in most of the programming languages, it is categorized as int and float rather than number like JavaScript. So now, as we are seeing the output as number, now let's reassign the variable with a string data type. And now we have given a string, and again let's run the type of command or type of function, and after that we can see that the output is showing it as string. So notice that we are able to change the data type without showing up any error. So if you are new, you might be like, okay, that's fine. Now if you're coming from another background, you might be confused, like if you're coming from C++ or Java, because that is a statically typed programming language. So as you can see, we are getting this output. So what JavaScript is doing is that in runtime, it is checking the data type rather than we predefining it. So the newcomers might be fully confused right now, what is he talking right now? So let's just come to statically typed and check what happens in statically typed programming language. So now we'll use the example of C++ language, which is a very powerful programming language. So now let's have an example in variable in C++ language. So let me declare int a and assign it a value of integer. So as you can see, by writing that thing only, you can understand that we are predefining the data type in statically typed programming languages. So the data type is predefined by the user. So now when we declare like that and again enter check the type of it, it's gonna give us the integer. So now if we again try to change the value inside that variable to another data type, it's going to give up an error saying that you have predefined it as integer, so why do you want to convert it to string? Means we must again, for converting it, we must use different methods or functions to convert them. That is called as type conversion, which we'll be covering in the next video. So now let's come back to this example. So as you can see that it is not allowing us to convert it so easily. So in dynamic type, it was checking it on the runtime, so it was converting it. So now let's have a brief summary about what we have learned today. So now the difference is that in dynamic type programming languages, the data type is checked on the runtime. So what do I mean by runtime? So runtime is nothing but when you hit the run button or you press enter on the console, that time it will start checking the data type and it will show what data type is it. If you change it whenever you run it again, it will change it and check that again. So now that is dynamic type programming language. Now let us come to statically typed programming language. So in statically typed, the data type is predefined by the user. So that's it guys, that's a very simple topic actually, and I thought to tell this to you because it's one of the very big concepts and it's very useful for you. So in the next video we'll be talking about type conversions in JavaScript. It's a very interesting topic, very easy topic, and few precautions also must be taken by doing the type conversions. So all the things we'll be doing in the next video. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you subscribe you can just get all my videos I'll be posting regularly. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.